So the one that we're doing is that top one right here. Holy shit! What is going on, you guys? So this is a little weird start to the video. It is kind of late and it is a little all over the place for me, but not for you guys. Currently, I am getting my car pro-tuned. Now you might be asking yourself, why are you getting your car tuned? Isn't it already tuned? Like, what's going on? So basically, a couple days ago, I talked to somebody under the name of Floreztuning. I'm gonna leave his at right here. So Flores tuned a lot of 86s and stuff like that, and right now currently running a OFT tune, and with that tune you don't really have a lot of like room to switch and do stuff like that. So with the EcuTech, which I got plugged in right now, we unflashed the car. So everything is back to bone stock right now. Stock power, stock everything. So right now we're waiting on him to load up a base map for this car. And yeah, we're going to get some spicy stuff. Hopefully a little bit more power gains. I'm not expecting too much. Like I said, I am direct bolt-on. So I'm not expecting anything crazy. But I am expecting to see some numbers. And as well as a pops and bangs tune. Which I'm really excited about. I've heard a lot of people talk about this guy, and yeah, so I'm super excited to get this tune by him.
2 hours later.
Alright, what's up, you guys? So some time has passed, but we have the bass tune, so we'll probably start scaling and start doing a bunch of stuff. And yeah, so let's see how it runs now. Shifting at a higher gear. You look so uncomfortable right now. Huh? You look so uncomfortable right now.
No, I was looking at the...
Alright, what is up, you guys? So it is the next day. I did finally get the final map. So we're about to load that up into the car as of right now. So let me go ahead and put it in auxiliary. And we'll go ahead and load this up. And he wants me to do some test pulls as well. First, second, and third, all the way to 6. Doing is that top one right here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and tap that. Gives you all of these instructions as well. Yeah, so it gives you all those instructions. I showed you guys yesterday, but I don't think it really picked it up on camera. But yeah, it gives you guys those instructions. So we have everything going. Don't touch anything. Doors closed. Interior lights and headlights are off, which I almost messed up and left that on. So yeah. Now we're going to go ahead and start programming. As you guys can see, it's going ahead and loading in all of the stuff, erasing the memory of the bass tune. And now it's already writing the new one. So I'm so pumped to see what this car is going to act like on this Pro Tune. Yeah, I'm excited. But yesterday, the bass tune, I think I included some clips for you guys, but it was a little rough. Definitely something to not like get on and stuff like that. He did have me idle for 45 seconds and drive for 2 to 3 minutes to kind of see how the car acted. So I went ahead and did that off camera. I did that on my way home. And yeah, he made a revision. Made this tune late last night, and yeah, I didn't feel like waking up my neighbors or doing any of that at like 10, 11 o'clock at night. So I was like, you know what, I'll just go ahead and go to sleep, and we'll figure it out from there. So I gotta say, 10 out of 10 so far. It explains everything. It's good with instructions. Now we'll go ahead and turn ignition power off. Turn ignition power on. It's clearing all the DCT codes. And there you guys go. I feel so bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! Holy shit. Yo, that sounds like fucking gunshots! Holy shit! Oh yeah, no, that's fucking insane, gang. That is insane, bro. Alright guys, so I basically want to go over everything. I'm probably not done with this video, so I'm not going to do an outro right away. Like I said, this was test run of final map number 2. Yesterday was base map. It was rough. I did say that in the GoPro footage. I checked it. It was a little rough. Which I figured it was going to be because it was a base tune. But yeah. So right now, I sent that over to him. My GoPro just went off. I sent that over to him, so I'm waiting on him to see what he's going to change. I might give him some feedback, but doing what I used to do with my pops and bangs where I would like half throttle it, it wasn't really doing much. And on downshifts, it was a little crackle, 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 pop, 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 pop. So, which is kind of good. But yeah, no, it's solid for the most part. Solid, feels good. The shifts are awesome when I'm using manual. The shifts are awesome when I'm using regular. I am gonna try it on my way to work today, and not the manual shifting, just like let the car go on its own. But yeah. So I need to shoot him a text too and let him know that I was using paddle shifters and shifting it manually. So yeah, I gotta do that. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's testing and stuff. Not wrap up the video because I'm pretty sure he's gonna send over one more, and then I'll go ahead and do that one with you guys, and then we'll wrap up the video. But so far so good. I just wanted to bring you guys along. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but yeah, I'm basically learning as you guys are learning how to do it. But yeah, bro, those pops are, they're aggressive. They're really, really aggressive. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need some night clips of that, because, dude, it echoed, and I wasn't around building, so I can only imagine if I'm downtown, like, that's going to be absurdly loud. So yeah, that's going to be it for this part of the video. I'm going to pick you guys up once he sends over some final stuff. We'll see what I do. I'll probably have to drive it again to see where it's at, but I think for the most part, everything should be straight. So we'll see what he has to say, and I'll pick you guys up and let you guys know what's going on once all of that happens. So Alright, what is up you guys? So it's been about a week since I last picked up the camera. I wanted to fill you guys in and give you guys a proper outro, and also give you guys some updates on what has been going on a little bit behind the scenes. So bear with me, there's going to be a bit of yapping. So for starters, first things first, the tune. The tune ended up getting revised one last time from Daniel over at Floreztuning. He went ahead and sent over some revisions for the transmission. Due to my driving style, I wasn't giving the car what it wanted, so he kind of dialed it back and got everything revised and got it all situated. So the car is running absolutely amazing. I've been giving my buddies a bunch of rides in the 86 and getting their reactions, as well as my girl. Unfortunately, I did not have my camera with me. I wish I did, because they were some pretty gold reactions. So L-Mans, I'll probably make that a separate video with giving some people some rides and stuff like that, and including that in there. There's quite a few other people I haven't gotten to yet to experience what I have done recently to the car. So yeah, that was the whole tuning process. We got everything dialed in. The car is running 10 out of 10, so I'm happy with that. But yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I am going to give you a little sneak peek of the next part for the 86. I want to see what you guys think it is. Sabon carbon. And yeah, this is the parts for the 86. I feel like for a lot of my car guys, you will be able to figure out what that is. I'll show you a little vent right there. But that's all I'm giving you for right now. You are going to have to wait until we do the install. So currently, as I am recording this, we are waiting on the wrap. I don't think I mentioned that, but we are waiting on a color match wrap. I was going to paint said part, but for purposes in case I wanted to resell or switch it up or just run it as is like that, I wouldn't have that issue if I don't paint over it. So if I end up keeping the color and whatnot, I'll probably go ahead and just full send it and paint it. But yeah, be sure to stay tuned. I know you guys are not going to want to miss this install and the reveal. But yeah, that is everything. Happy holidays, you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.